Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oat chocolate chip cookies. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. Delicious, chewy oat chocolate chip cookies ready to enjoy. They are perfect with a glass of milk or your favorite hot beverage. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.